Welcome to TruckLogics, the only web-based solution designed to simplify managing your trucking business on the road. Whether you're an office manager at a carrier or an owner-operator, you need to make sure your expenses are calculated right, especially when it comes to the recurring expenses you'll face. With TruckLogics as your fleet management software, you can take your business management to the next level by implementing recurring expenses. Recurring expenses are the charges you incur on a regular scheduled basis. Instead of having to manually add these to your expenses on a regular basis, TruckLogics trucking software now allows you to create a recurring expense that will automatically calculate into your reporting. It's simple. Visit the Accounts section of TruckLogics and click Expense Transactions. From here, you will click Add Recurring Expenses to enter those repeated transactions. This is similar to adding a regular expense into TruckLogics. The only difference is adding the frequency of this occurrence. Start by adding the name of this expense. This might be the cost of your trucks, utilities, or repeating maintenance fees at a fixed cost. Next, enter the occurrence type, whether it be yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. Depending on your selection, choose the date of this occurrence. If it starts on the 1st of every month, choose the 1st and enter 1 month. You will have to adjust the start date as well. If this recurring expense will end, choose when. Following the frequency of this expense, enter your payment details. This includes the payee, payment mode, and total amount. If you do not have the vendor in your address book, you can quickly add them by clicking Add Vendor. The only information needed is the company name. Following payment details is your expense details. The only information required here is the expense category. There is an extensive list to choose from. Before saving, enter any additional details that may be necessary for this recurring expense. If you would like to be notified of when this expense is added automatically, click the corresponding box. Now click Save to add this recurring expense into your TruckLogics account. This expense will automatically calculate depending on the frequency of the expense. This video was brought to you by TruckLogics, the only web-based business management solution designed exclusively for transportation businesses.